Oh, woohoo, baby. Talk to me, hairline. Talk to me.
Hi guys, so today I will be showing you guys how I installed this really cute body wave wig. Really simple and easy, so make sure you keep watching so you can check out this bomb install. So this is how the hair came. It came with a little pamphlet letting you know all about the hair and their social medias as well as their care instructions. This is how the wig looks straight out of the pack. The curls look amazing as well as the hairline. So right here I am co-washing the hair because I did have to bleach the knots, and I wanted to show you guys this curl pattern because it looks amazing. All I have is water on the hair at the moment. I washed it with that Pantene conditioner and the curls were popping. So I'm going in with some Got To Be Glue gel, putting it on my edges just so I can make sure they are sleek back, and tying it down with a wrap cap. And once that dry, I'll go in with this scalp protector before I apply my wigs.
Okay, guys, so this is what the wig is looking like. Like, look how gorgeous this wig looks. Look at that curl pattern. Demi! Like, oh, don't tell me that broke. Girl, me and this dog, we gonna fight. Say hi to the people. Isn't that what YouTubers do? Pick up their animal. Say hi. Get out. All right, let's put this bad boy on. Ooh, try not to disturb my curls too much because they are gorgeous. Gorgeous. I need to tint my lace some more. Oh, woohoo, baby. Talk to me. Talk to me, hairline. Talk to me. Okay, I'm going to go in my tailored crown lace tint. This is in the color medium brown, but I like caramel, but I ran out. See the difference? Now let me dry this because you want this to be dry. Alright, so now I'm going to cut my lace off real zigzaggy-ish. You know the drill. So we're going to cut this bad boy like cut it up all rough. Okay, y'all, so I'm using the bold hold, and I'm just going to put it directly to my hairline. Put my wig on, make sure it's centered. Get your comb so you can press it down. Hell, is it gonna fit? No, just push the hair down. And really quick, before I even fix anything, I'm going to put my scarf on it because the wig is kind of small and I don't want it to come up before the glue like completely dries. Alright, let's get at about 5 minutes, girl. But look at this hair. So pretty. It's giving me like a bohemian curl. Like, this curl is gorgeous. And this is their water wave. Like, I'm just in love with this wig. Look. It speaks for itself. Bomb, sis. Bomb. And by me moving the wig, the curls have like kind of fluffed out. Well, me doing this too, but gorgeous. No product. You don't have to curl it here. Don't do that. Nothing. Alright, let's get this scarf off. Okay, I'm just gonna like pretty much prep this wig how I usually do. Pluck this part a little bit because this is a little thick. And I'm just sectioning my hair like this just to comb out the hair that I plucked. So all of this hair, I'm just using my contour palette to put on my scalp, going in between the dark and the light color because this scalp, as you can see, is like almost white back there. adding this so it's not like white. Get my setting lotion. Bomb.com. I am so in love with this Nairobi setting lotion. Go get it. I'm gonna have to let my hair air dry again because I need to wet it. Y'all, this is lit. Whew, that holding spray, baby. Oh, baby, take me to the water. Take me to the water. Woo! Come on, water on my neck. Come on, water on my neck. Now this, she looking cute. Ooh, baby, you see this? Slade. Ooh, thick. Got a real natural hairline going on over here, just real effortlessly. Oh, amazing. It looks so good. Tell me. Ooh. Ooh.
Alright guys, so that's all for this video. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this wig. And click the link so you can check out this company and go purchase this wig because it is bomb. Like, look at these curls. Okay? I love you guys. Until next time. Bye.